When people think of blindness, they typically think of this, but in reality, this is a really small percentage of cases. Blindness can vary widely, ranging from partial vision loss to complete darkness, and it manifests in many different ways depending on the individual. With macular degeneration, central vision is diminished or lost depending on the degree of the condition. It's like looking at the world with a blurry or dark spot in the center while the edges stay relatively clear. Cataracts make the world appear cloudy, foggy, or yellow, like looking through a dirty or frosted window. Details fade, light becomes more scattered and glaring. Glaucoma often starts with a gradual loss of peripheral vision. It can feel like tunnel vision, where the sides slowly close in, sometimes without the person even noticing until it's advanced. Diabetic retinopathy can cause patchy, fluctuating vision. You might see floating spots, dark blotches, or blurred areas that come and go, depending on how the disease progresses. Light perception means a person can only tell the difference between light and dark, but can't see shapes or movement. This level of vision loss can result from advanced conditions like end-stage glaucoma, severe diabetic retinopathy, or trauma to the eye. And this is what it looks like when you have a healthy eye with 20/20 vision.